Welcome to Bavaria, Germany's largest state, where history, culture, and natural beauty converge to create an enchanting tapestry of experiences. Join us as we journey through the most remarkable destinations this region has to offer. Our journey begins with the iconic Neuschwanstein Castle, a 19th century Romanesque revival palace commissioned by King Ludwig II. Often hailed as the inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle, Neuschwanstein captivates visitors with its fairy tale architecture and breathtaking alpine backdrop. Next, we arrive at Munich's Marienplatz, the city's central square since 1158. Here, the neo-Gothic new town hall stands proudly, home to the famed Glockenspiel. Crowds gather daily to witness its charming reenactment of Bavarian history through animated figurines. For those seeking adventure, Zugspitze offers an unparalleled experience. As Germany's tallest mountain, it straddles the border with Austria, providing 360-degree views of over 400 peaks across 4 countries. Whether skiing in winter or hiking in summer, Zugspitze is a year-round destination. Step back in time in Rothenburg ob der Tauber, a medieval town that seems untouched by modernity. Encircled by well-preserved walls, this town invites exploration of its narrow lanes, historic buildings, and the renowned Christmas Museum, celebrating Yuletide traditions year-round. Nature enthusiasts will find solace in Berchtesgaden National Park. Home to the crystal-clear Königssee, this protected area offers pristine landscapes, diverse wildlife, and opportunities for boating, hiking, and immersing oneself in unspoiled nature. Nuremberg's Old Town is a testament to resilience and restoration. Dominated by the imperial castle, the city blends medieval architecture with modern vitality. Visitors can explore the Albrecht Dürer House, savor traditional Nuremberg sausages, and delve into the city's rich history. Würzburg Residence, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Würzburg Residence exemplifies Baroque architecture at its finest. The palace's grand staircase, adorned with a ceiling fresco by Giovanni Battista Tiepolo, leaves visitors in awe of its artistic mastery. Bamberg's Old Town, another UNESCO World Heritage Site, enchants with its unique setting across 7 hills. The Altes Rathaus, perched on a bridge over the Regnitz River, and the city's smoked beer tradition make Bamberg a cultural gem. Linderhof Palace, the smallest of King Ludwig II's palaces, reflects his fascination with French architecture. Inspired by Versailles, this palace boasts lavish interiors and meticulously manicured gardens, offering a glimpse into the king's opulent tastes. Concluding our journey, Regensburg's Old Town stands as one of the best preserved medieval city centres in Germany. The stone bridge, spanning the Danube since the 12th century, and the towering Regensburg Cathedral highlight the city's historical significance. Bavaria's wonders are as diverse as they are captivating. From fairy tale castles to vibrant cities and serene natural landscapes, this region offers a rich tapestry of experiences that beckon travellers from around the world. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe to our channel for more epic adventures.